Each computer language has been serving its purpose since its inception time and so on. Python has got more popularity like anything. Python has got simpler way of expressing a command which is like the way we use English words. This is the revolution in the evolution process of various computer languages. If you see the example here, it's a comparison of the code snippet between two languages where Java is having multiple lines and Python is expressed in one line. Python is an interpreter language where direct commands can be called like any other scripting languages like shell. With the Java, we need to compile the code to create a binary version executable and then need to use it accordingly. With Python, we can use it directly like a command. Now it has enriched with many packages and tools. All those inclusions can be used seamlessly.